Now it is given in the question the side of a rhombus is a centimeter and the angle between the two adjacent sides is 60 degree. Then the area of the rhombus in square centimeter is. As as it is given in the question that we have a rhombus, let's say it is a rhombus A, B, C and D of side A, and it is also given that the angle between the two adjacent side is 60 degree. That the two adjacent sides are AD and AB. The angle between them is 60 degree. We have to find the area of this rhombus. When we join the line BD, it is a diagonal. Now in triangle ABD, we seen that the AB is equals to AD. Both are of A units. So as we know the property in triangle that if the two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So let's say angle D is X unit, so angle B is also X units. Now by applying the angle sum property in triangle ABD, we get 60 plus X equals to 180. So we get 2X equals to 120. So X equals to 60 degree. So therefore we can say that the triangle ABD is a equilateral triangle. Therefore we can say that the triangle ABD is equilateral triangle. Same way the triangle BCD is also an equilateral triangle. So we know that the area of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 4 side square. So the area of triangle ABD, which is same as the area of triangle BCD, that is the area of equilateral triangle with side A, that is root 3 by 4 A square. Now the area of rhombus is twice the area of triangle ABD, that is twice area of ABD is root 3 by 4 A square, which is comes to be root 3 by 2 A square. So according to option C is correct. We study about trapezium. Trapezium is basically a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. It is a trapezium ABCD in which the sides AB and CD are parallel. AB and CD are parallel, and the two non-parallel sides, that is AD and BC. Here AB and CD are parallel, it means they are never meets each other. So in trapezium we have one pair of opposite sides are parallel, so ABCD is a trapezium. Let the length of AB is small a and the length of CD be small b, and the distance between the two parallel sides, let's say it is b h, or you can say the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is h. So the area of the trapezium is half sum of the parallel sides. It means A plus B into the distance between the parallel side, that is h. So the area of trapezium is half sum of the parallel sides, that is A plus B, into the distance between them, that is h. So area is equals to half A plus B into h. This is the area of a trapezium. Now there is one more type of trapezium, that is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. In isosceles trapezium is a type of trapezium in which here ABCD is an trapezium, or you can say it is an isosceles trapezium in which the non-parallel sides, that is the non-parallel sides are AD and BC, are of the equal length. A trapezium is said to be an isosceles trapezium if its non-parallel sides are of equal length. It is a trapezium, so AB is parallel to CD and the length of the non-parallel side, that is AD and BC, are equal. So it is an isosceles trapezium. Let's say the length of AB is small a and the length of BCD is small b, and the length of, let's say, AD and BCB x unit. So the perimeter of this isosceles trapezium is, that is the parallel sides plus the length of the two non-parallel sides, which are of the length x unit. So x plus x is 2x. So the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is sum of the parallel sides plus twice the length of the non-parallel sides, that is 2x. So the perimeter is equals to a plus b plus 2x. Now we move to the questions. The first question is, the perimeter of a trapezium is 52 centimeter and its non-parallel sides are each equals to 10 centimeter and its altitude is 8 centimeter, then its area is. Now first of all we draw the diagram for a trapezium. The length of the non-parallel sides each equals to 10 centimeter. Let's say it should be 10 and this should be 10, and the distance, that is altitude, is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter means the height is 8 centimeter. A, B, C and D. Let's say the length of AB is small a, length of CD is small b. So the perimeter is equals to A plus B plus 20, that is 10 plus 10, 20. The perimeter is, in the question it is given as 52. So 52 is equals to A plus B plus 20. So A plus B is equals to 52 minus 20, that is comes to be 32. And in the question it is given that the height is 8 centimeter. So we know that the formula of trapezium is half sum of the parallel sides and the distance between them, that is half sum of the parallel sides, that is 32, into h, that is 8, which is comes to be 128 centimeter square. CD are both perpendicular to side BC. It means this angle is 90 degree. If AB is equals to 16, AB length is 16 and CD length is 8 and the length of AD is 17, then we have to find the area of trapezium. So we have to solve this problem like that. as we know that the area of trapezium is half sum of the parallel sides, that is the parallel sides are 16 centimeter long and the 8 meter long, and the distance between them. So we have to find, if we have to find the area of trapezium, then we have to find the distance between the parallel sides, that is DE. So as CB is perpendicular to AB, then the distance DE is also the perpendicular to AB. From this figure we see that the EBCD is form a rectangle because the line AB is parallel to CD. So we can say that EB is also parallel to CD. So it is a parallelogram with one angle 90 degree. So it will form a rectangle. In rectangle the opposite length are equal. So it is 8. So the opposite side, that is EB, is also equals to 8. Therefore we can say that AE is equals to AB minus EB, which is, that is 16 minus 8, which is comes to be 8. Now DE, the length of DE is equals to BC. The length of DE is equals to BC. Now in triangle ADE we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So that is hypotenuse square, that is 17 square, is equals to perpendicular square, that is DE square, plus AE square. AE square is 8 square, that is 17 square is 289, is equals to DE square plus 8 square, that is 64. So DE square is equals to 289 minus 64, which is comes to be 225. So the length of DE is equals to under root of 225, which is comes to be 15 meter. Now we know that the formula of trapezium is, that is area is equals to half sum of the parallel sides, that is 16 plus 8, into the distance between them, that is DE, which is comes to be 15. So half 16 plus 8, that is 24, into 15, which is comes to be 12 into 15, that is 180 centimeter square. So according to option C is correct. Now we move to the next question.